How to get $50 United Airlines coupon code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the very top, you're gonna see the search box, so you type in United coupon code and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, coupon follow. Once you're in the website, you're gonna find amazing offers and deals for United Airlines. Just scroll and check out the offers: $300 off, $150 off, 75% off, and many more. Head towards the offer that you wanna grab, just click on it. With that, you're gonna get the code for it. Make sure you check the expiration date of the code, whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, copy it, then click on Redeem at United Airlines. You will be directed to the official website of it. Once you're in the website, you can log into your account and then book your flight, or you can check in. Then proceed to checkout. In the checkout page, you're gonna find this section of codes. Over there, type in your code and confirm it. With that, you're gonna get the discount. Also, you can try out other offers, as in this website, you're gonna find tons of offers and deals for United Airlines. Just scroll down and check. And to use any of the offer, the process is exact same. Lastly, what you can do is head back. Once you're in this website section, you can also try out another website. This one website, Simply Codes. This is also the legit website where you're gonna find tons of offers for United Airlines. So this way you can easily get up to $50 working coupon code for United. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.